Yes, you jiggy. Oh, sorry. Good morning, my friend. Good morning.
Jiggy. Asyik.
Tuk.
Cik ada aku suruh khabar ke awak ni? Boleh. Khabar awak ni gila. Khabar ya lah.
Good morning, everyone. Let's go hiking.
Yes.
Let's go.
Mari mana? Mari pantai dia.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place where you and me can just be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Welcome to Patah Marina.
Good morning and welcome to Telaga Simpul.
Welcome.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares too. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything.
How was the hiking today?
Really good. Don't forget to subscribe Omar Alimi YouTube channel.
Don't forget to subscribe.
No, in your language, man.
Jangan lupa tekan jangan lupa tekan butang subscribe, guys.
Entire.
Come
Come on, no.
Come on.
Yes.
Jangan kabur. Camcat tengil le.
Yes.